there, happy Thursday. Okay, today we will be focusing on informational text. This will be a review from our lesson on Tuesday. Informational text is nonfiction. What does nonfiction mean? Well, nonfiction means writing that is about facts or real events. So right here, just like we talked about on Tuesday, I have a couple of characteristics of informational books. So let's go through them quickly. Facts about the world. So last time we talked about this, I asked if you had any facts about the world. My fact was there are 7 continents in the world. So I'm going to pause and let you think for a moment if any facts about the world. Okay, once you have a fact, thumbs up. Great job. Photos of real people and places. Like we talked about last time, this is a photo of a little girl and a dog. So this is a real person and a real animal. How do I know this? Well, because this is not a drawing. This is a photograph taken with a camera, okay? And the next one is headings that stand out. So here, circled right here, and there's a little arrow. This is a heading. Headings tell what the section, paragraph, or the page is going to be about. This one is kind of hard to see, but it says all about frogs. And I've read this before, and it does talk all about frogs. Okay? And then down here, let me see, maybe if I move my arrow out, you still can't see it, but it says diagrams with labels. Now a diagram is an image with labels. So here's our image and our labels. It's a frog, and there are different little labels point to the parts of this frog. So head, nostril, mouth, webbed feet, eye, ear, okay? So all these characteristics go over, all these characteristics you might find in an informational book. But like we talked about last time, these aren't the only characteristics you will find in an informational book. You might only see photos of real people and places, or facts about the world, or facts about dogs, facts about the ocean, okay? You may see a couple of headings, or you may not see some headings. You might see some diagrams with labels, you might not. These are just some examples of characteristics of an informational book. And these happen to be some things that we're focusing on this week, such as headings, diagrams with labels. Does anyone know what the name for that is? If you said text features, you're correct. Awesome. What else? Let me see. One thing that really helps me remember about informational text is informational text gives real information in an interesting way. So whenever I see photographs or diagrams or headings, this really helps me better understand the text that I'm reading, the book that I'm focusing on. Okay? Just like on Tuesday, I would like to pause and see if we can't think of any informational books that we have read or heard. Now, I'm hoping you can think of at least one, because on Tuesday I did read an informational text to you. So can anyone think of the title of that book? If you can, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Maybe after this video you can raise your hand and share something you learned from that book with your classmates. And if you're at home, maybe you can share something with an adult, sibling, or your stuffed animal. All right, I hope you like this little review over informational text.